Your next car could be the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Hyundai Santa Fe. With bold, modern looks, standard infotainment, and the latest safety features, this spacious, versatile midsize crossover infuses every drive with comfort and confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, keyless start, fog lamps, heated front seat, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.